Stowaways riding a spaceship from one planet to another sounds like a good basis for a sci-fi film, but it is actually a real concern for scientists. We know there are microorganisms that can survive the harsh radiation and vacuum of space for extended periods. If these microbes manage to hitch a ride to another planet or moon we were visiting in our search for life, they could compromise any scientific findings we made there. They could even be dangerous for any native life that might be present. This is called forward contamination. That's as opposed to backward contamination, which is the risk of returning spacecraft bringing something unexpected back with them to Earth. Given that scientists are planning missions to bring back samples from a number of planets and moons, backward contamination is also an important consideration. The Planetary Protection Guidelines were developed by COSPAR, the Committee on Space Research, and are designed to protect space and Earth from both forward and backward contamination. Scientific experts on the COSPAR committee review the latest research in order to keep this guidance up to date. Rather than suggesting a blanket policy, they consider the varying risks posed by and to different types of missions and the planets, moons, or asteroids they explore. The questions they ask include, what's the chance there's life there? And what's the chance anything a spacecraft introduced would survive? These guidelines are backed up by the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, which provides a legal requirement to avoid harmful contamination. Ongoing conversation is needed to reinforce the underpinning values, assumptions, and agreements of planetary protection. This is particularly important as missions from private companies start to be undertaken. All in all, we risk compromising the scientific integrity of space and even threatening the safety of Earth if we're not careful. That's why effective space governance is so crucial. This is a primary focus of our space governance work at Astrobiology OU.